Good morning, students. Today in SST we will go to chapter 1, that is Earth, the blue planet, because in class test chapter 1 is going to come, so it will be easy. I will explain you once again about the exercises and question answers. Hope you have done all your question answers of chapter 1, 2 and 3 in your SST copy, and exercises you have to do it in your book only, SST book only, and purchase your books as soon as possible because it will be difficult for you to understand it, and online purchasing is also there if you want to purchase it. Those who have not purchased it yet, you can give me your number, class name section and phone number, then you can get it online also, your books. Okay, so purchase your books and copies so that smoothly you can continue with your work. Today I will go through chapter 1 about the continents and oceans of the world, and also I will go through the exercises of the book and question answers. I'll explain you once again. So let's get started and learn it for your Saturday class test in your respective periods, whatever periods you are having, according to the timing. In that only you will give your test. You will write the answers in your test copy or any thin copy. You can keep your record with you, and then you can write your answers and send it in the app. Okay, so let's get started with it. So students, I have told you that this is the chapter 1, Earth, the blue planet. Continents, we have known that how many continents are there: Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America and South America. And then there are detailed study about it. And oceans, there are 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Now in the exercises, it is the match the following: Africa, Sahara Desert, Atlantic Ocean, S-shaped basin, means it has S-shaped basin. Then Australia, island continent, it is an island continent. Then Arctic Ocean, smallest ocean, and river Amazon, it is in South America. Then we come to the fill in the blanks. Dash is the only planet that supports life, so it is Earth. Dash percent of Earth is water and 29% is dash, so 71% of the of Earth is water and 29% is land. Then dash is the second most populous continent in the world, so it is Africa. Then fourth one is dash is the windiest continent. Wind blows here, so it is Antarctica. And dash in the Pacific Ocean is the deepest point of Earth, so it is the Mariana Trench. Okay, then we come to the C exercise, that is circle the correct options. A big consolidated landmass on Earth that consisted of all the present day continents has been named as Pangaea or subcontinent, so it is Pangaea. The third largest continent is North America. Then South America has the shortest coastlines of all the continents. Then the largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean, and the Indian Ocean provides the major sea routes of the world. So these are the exercises of the book. Then we come to the short question answers. Answer the following question in short. What percent of the Earth's area is covered with water? So approximately 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Then name the largest and the smallest continent. So Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent. Then what is an isthmus? A strip of land connecting two mainlands, means two lands if they are connected with one strip of land by water is called an isthmus. Then what connects North America to South America? So it is the same, the Isthmus of Panama. It connects North America to South America. Then the fifth one is, what are oceans? Name the largest ocean in the world. So large water bodies on the Earth's surface are oceans. That we all know now, that large water bodies on the Earth's surface are oceans. And which one is the largest? Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Then we come to the detailed questions. What are continents? Name the 7 continents of the world in the decreasing order of their size. So large land masses are called continents. The 7 continents in the decreasing order is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Then describe some features of Antarctica. Some features of Antarctica are, it is called the white continent. These are the points, main points, okay. It is the 5th largest continent. It is the coldest, driest and the windiest continent. It is completely surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Then third one is, write 3 sentences about the Indian Ocean. So what are the 3 points? The Indian Ocean is the 3rd largest ocean, covering 20% of the Earth's water surface. Then it is connected to the Mediterranean Sea by the Suez Canal. And last, it provides major sea routes to the world. Then fourth one is, write a short note on the Southern Ocean, that is the Antarctic Ocean. The Southern Ocean is also known as the Antarctic Ocean. It lies in the southern hemisphere. It encircles Antarctica and gets water through the merger of the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean into it. So students, today we have gone through the chapter 1 once again. So it is refresh in your mind now, and so you can give your class test nicely, okay. And hope you have completed your diagrams and all. Diagram is also coming in the class test, okay. Thank you.